Using only a compass and an unmarked straight edge, what is the minimum number of steps needed to draw a perpendicular from point C to the line AB? That's the topic of this video. Let's get started. First, let's take our compass. I place the sharp end of my compass on any point along the line AB. Let's make it here. After placing it here, I draw a circle so that it will intersect point C, meaning I open the compass so that its width reaches from this point to C. Now, to show why I did this, I need to draw one more circle. So again, I take my compass. This time, I carefully place the sharp end of the compass on the precise point where this initial circle intersects the existing line, and I then open the compass from that specific location all the way to point C, subsequently drawing another complete circle. Now, after doing this, well, I've made 2 moves so far. Don't count what I do next as a move. I'll just be explaining. When I draw these 2 circles, I'm actually implying a geometric shape. Let's take a look at the geometric shape I've implied. From the center of the large circle, I draw line segments to the intersection points of the circles. These line segments I've drawn will be equal in length to each other because both are radii of the large circle. Now I'll do the same thing, but this time starting from the radius of the smaller circle. From here, I draw line segments to the points where the circles intersect. And here, I've formed a shape. Now let's examine the shape I've created. Or rather, let's say I've implied a shape. Look, since this line segment and this line segment are both radii of the small circle, they are equal to each other. And since these are radii of the large circle, they are also equal to each other. So in short, the quadrilateral you see here is a kite, and the diagonals of a kite intersect at right angles. So now, as my third move, when I draw a line segment from point C to the other intersection point of the large and small circles, this line and this line intersect each other at a right angle. And I think this way, in 3 steps, I have drawn a perpendicular from point C to the line AB. If you were wondering why the diagonals of the delta 8 intersect each other at right angles, you can immediately deduce it like this. Now there is an isosceles triangle here, and there is another isosceles triangle here. When you draw the median of this isosceles triangle, you're also drawing its altitude at the same time. And when you draw the median of this one, you're also drawing its altitude at the same time. Therefore, since these parts will be 90 degrees, you can easily show that they intersect each other at right angles. See you next time.